That's what you don't do. Oh man. Anyway, this is a homebrew antenna. It's a 49-1, about I think it's 20 meters of wire. Now, today is it's Tuesday, and that's usually, well, Tuesday is kind of like QRS night, so I dare say there'll be some operators on 40 meters who are new and operating QRS speeds, which is good. One thing I really like about QRS is giving people their first contacts. Really enjoy doing that. And if you're learning CW, just get on the air. It doesn't, you don't have to be perfect. No one's judging you. People only want to help you, and anybody who does judge you, well, they've got their own problems. Don't worry about them. Will it reach this tree? Yep. Let's tie it off to the tree. Alright. Cool. These are a couple of my favourite things in life, I'll tell you what. Operating Morse code, particularly portable, and motorbikes. Yeah, I like motorbikes. Motorbikes are fun. Now, the other thing I wanted to check out today was this app I only found out about today called PoLo. It's a logging app. And I must admit, I have not had very good success with logging applications in the past. I did a PoLo activation once, and I logged on an iPad, and you wouldn't believe it, but RF got into the iPad, and actually wiped my log. I actually saw it. It was like it was doing phantom touches on the touch screen, and I watched it on like my second last QSO. Hit delete log. Are you sure? Yes. I couldn't believe it. So then I went to paper logging, but I didn't have a notebook to write in today. So anyway, good timing. I watched a live stream with Forrest and Sebastian. Anyway, I've got your application. This portable logger, PoLo, it's awesome from what I can tell so far. So anyway, let's give it a crack and see if I can't mess it up. If anybody's going to break electronic logging, it's going to be me. So we're going to run the G90 today. Who have we got? All right. VK2TM. 5 and 9. Beautiful signal. Okay, apparently I'm not very strong. Well, you are. All right. Ah, what have I done? I shouldn't be playing with this while I'm trying to send. truthfully too. I did hear you guys mention something about using VK. I do it a lot. I can't remember if you said it was good or bad, but I do it a lot. We're not doing PoLo here though, it's QRS night, so. Here's my RST. 559. Okay, I'll take that. Band not so good. Okay. I could decode this for you guys if you wanted. Let me know in the comments and maybe in the next video if you're interested. I can. I really love this app. I've just got to stop being distracted by my phone. I'm rushing the keyer because I'm used to keying at a higher speed. I think this is because I'm recording. I don't know. I didn't call VK3 ACU / portable, but anyway, there you go. I am. Cool. All right. Well, there's our first contact. Oh, looks like someone else is calling. New Zealand. ZL3XDJ. Nah, guess he can't hear me. That's a shame because you got a strength 7 signal. But anyway. Oh, I'm going to try one more time, bugger it. No, I don't think so. Okay. Well, I might put report of 0 because for QRS night we do say who we've heard but not worked. So anyway, that's cool. Let's see who else we can hear. It is kind of early. It's oh no, actually it's not 5:30. I don't have that long here. Oh, should we scoot up to... My G90 has done this before. It's not moving. I'll restart it. One thing I've learnt with the G90 is never just pull the power out unless you want to lose all your settings. Alright. Maybe we'll have a listen on 20 meters very shortly. Hey, it's done it again. I'm not moving up and down the band. What the? Alright, let's go to 20 meters and see what it does. No, it's not moving on the... What? My marker's not moving on the waterfall. Okay. That's weird. Whoa, the signal's on 20 meters. Sick. Okay. Oh, we've got an excellent match too. No tuner required. Let's see who we can hear. Oh, is that a bug? Yeah. Belgium. Probably shouldn't send DE first, should I really? Probably confuses them. Oh! be good to get this. I'll slow it down a bit. Roger, roger. $559. I'd say you're about the same. Pat. That's too slow. How cool is that? We got a bug contact. You'd be happy, Forrest. Well, there you go. Tell you what, my brain is not with it today, but that was still fun. Great to work a bug. All right. Oh, somebody working PoLo. Oh man, this G90 is not behaving. Did you see that gain just jump up? I don't know if you can see the screen. Wow. Okay. is more like 5 and 7. Anyway. I don't have a lot of time left. But I will definitely be getting on the air later tonight. That's a strong signal. There's heaps of signals. Okay, CQDX, yep. So that's Italy. That's not for me. Yep, definitely not for me, but that's okay. He was calling another station. I have to check the firmware on this rig again, I think. It's not scrolling up the band anymore. Huh. Nor on 40 meters. What is going on? Okay. I got issues with the keyer on this as well, so maybe I do need to check. I thought the firmware was up to date, but we'll just have to see. I think this video has probably gone on long enough, and I do have to go home. Yeah, I've got issues with the rig, so I'm going to call it quits. Just a few contacts, but we will. Hey, we heard New Zealand, we worked VK2, and we worked. We heard Italy, and we worked Belgium. So that was a bit of fun for a quick play with the G90. I'm going to pack it up and get out of here, and 73s for now.